Rosehip tea benefits, healthier steps. Rosehip tea is a delicious drink that's popular in many countries throughout the world. It is also good for you. Find out more about rosehip tea benefits ahead. Rose hips are parts of the rose flower once the petals fall off. It is a type of tea that is made from the extracts of rose petals, rose hips, and rose flowers. Rosehip tea benefits. The rosehip tea is believed to be an ancient Chinese remedy for acne, clearing the skin and providing the drinker with a younger, more vibrant appearance. Rose hips contain essential fatty acids, natural vitamin C, and several minerals. You can make tea out of rose hips. It has a light, sweet flavor and is perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. There are several health benefits associated with rosehip tea. 1. Boosts immunity. There are many interesting facts about rosehip tea. One good fact is that it boosts immunity. Rosehip tea is known to be high in vitamin C, which is beneficial for the immune system. Studies have shown it helps boost immunity and ward off winter colds. Natural immunity in the body reduces gradually with age, but rosehip tea can reverse the process. Now, you can enjoy the many health benefits of rosehip tea in the comfort of your own home. 2. Fight skin aging. One of the best secrets in the anti-aging industry is rosehip tea. Rosehip tea contains a potent antioxidant that works to tighten the skin and reduce blemishes and fine lines, while also reducing redness on the skin and improving the skin's elasticity and firmness. There are so many different anti-aging ingredients in rosehip tea, but one of the most potent compounds is caffeoylquinic acid, which is also found in green tea. Caffeoylquinic acid can help slow down the aging process, reduce the signs of aging, and prevent cancer. 3. Reduce acne. Rosehip tea can be used for many things, but many people believe it can be used for acne. Many who suffer from acne have found results from drinking rosehip tea. Rose hips have a high vitamin C content, which builds collagen. Collagen is needed to maintain a healthy skin barrier and clear pores. It can help fade old acne scars and prevent scarring. As an added benefit, rosehip tea is also a great source of vitamin A, retinol, which is also necessary to clear up acne. 4. Nourishes dry hair. Rosehip tea is good for your hair because it promotes the production of keratin, which is a key building block of hair and nails. Rosehip tea also contains essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which are elements that help to nourish and moisturize dry hair. Dry hair can be a big problem for many people, especially during the wintertime when cold weather, heating systems, and indoor heating tend to dry out hair and skin. Rosehip tea is packed with moisture, which means that if you drink it regularly, your hair will be wonderfully soft and silky, and nourished. 5. Digestive aid. Rosehip tea is a tonic and a general purifier, effectively removing impurities and toxins from the digestive system. Many people are unaware of this fact, but it has been long used as a digestive aid. By having a cup of rosehip tea, you are helping to soothe your gut and ease your stomach. This tea is especially good for people who have an upset stomach, as well as people who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome. This tea can also help with gallbladder pain as it helps to relax the gallbladder. In addition to these health benefits, it can also help to flush out your system, which makes it perfect for anyone who has constipation issues. 6. May aid weight loss. There are many weight loss programs out there, but not all of them have your health in mind. Some programs may help you lose weight quickly, but not in a healthy manner that doesn't put you at risk of doing damage to your body. If you are looking for a drink that will help you with your weight management, rosehip tea might be for you. New research has shown that drinking rosehip tea on a daily basis may aid in weight loss. The reason for this is due to a small chemical called rosepin, which increases the amount of adiponectin in the body, and is said to control the appetite and initiate fat burning. In addition, it can also help you feel better and have less inflammation in the body. 7. Support heart health. Rosehip tea may help treat people with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and other heart problems. Rosehip tea is created from the fruit of rose bushes. The fruity liquid is full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help revitalize the body. Drinking rosehip tea may result in positive effects on the heart. Study shows that rosehip fruit contains substances that act as a natural blood thinner, which helps reduce cholesterol and high blood pressure. 8. May reduce pain. When you are dealing with pain, it is often best to use natural remedies as opposed to over-the-counter medications. When it comes to pain in the neck, some people prefer to use rosehip tea. Believe it or not, drinking a cup of this tea can reduce neck pain. Just be careful to drink this tea in moderation. Rosehip tea can also be helpful when you are dealing with arthritic pain. In traditional Chinese medicine, Rosehip tea has been the go-to cure for mild pain, a sore throat, and even skin infections. What herbs go well with rosehip tea? Mint is an herb that is commonly paired up with tea. Another herb that goes well with rosehip tea is chamomile. There are different brands of rosehip tea available to buy, and most of them say the product is safe when used properly.